Welcome to another video in series 2, and today we're going to be taking a look at adding forms onto your SharePoint page. Open all apps and find Microsoft Forms. Select Create New Form. Add a title for your form. Start adding questions you'd like to ask on this form. There are many types of questions available. Please see the examples. You can continue to add as many questions as you feel is relevant. For this example, we're only going to add 2. Copy the link of this form. We will come back to this form, but for now, we're going to open up SharePoint and find the site we want to add the form onto. First, we're going to open a new column and then we're going to add some text to describe what the form is. Select to add a new web part, search and find forms, select add existing form, copy and paste the link of the form that we previously collected. You can either view the questionnaires or the results of the questionnaires from the form. You also have options to change the section background. Once you're happy with your form, you can click on Publish, and this form will be available for users to answer when they access the SharePoint site. Thank you for watching this video, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video in this series.